The Woodpecker, written by Eddie Allen, illustrated by Jamie Holder. Tap tap, it was 5:30 in the morning. Cannon slowly opened one eye. He was dreaming about pounding a giant rock into smaller pieces. That is no dream, he thought. Someone is at the door. Cannon jumped up and opened the front door. No one was there. A tap-tap came from above. Cannon looked up. A woodpecker was hanging off his favorite tree near the roof. Shoo! Yelled Cannon. The woodpecker kept tapping. This went on for days. Every morning the woodpecker woke him early, tapping on his favorite tree. Every morning Cannon tried to shoo the woodpecker away. Every morning the woodpecker kept tapping. Cannon tried earplugs. They helped, but they did not stop the tapping, which continued to find its way into his dreams. After a few weeks of the tapping, Cannon had had enough. He spotted a hole in his favorite tree. That must be the nest. This gave him an idea. Cannon climbed up the ladder with a big plastic arrow under his arm. He put the arrow in the hole and climbed down. That should do it. That night, Cannon went to sleep with a big smile on his face. Why a woodpecker taps? Woodpecker may tap for a few reasons. They are building a nest. They are looking for insects to eat. They are warning enemies to stay away. They are looking for a mate. Then at 5:30 the next morning, tap tap, he climbed up the tree again and discovered a new hole. It was even larger than the first. This time, Cannon filled it with old rags. No matter what Cannon did, new holes showed up daily. Now the tree was crowded with all sorts of things. It held tin cans, a clown mask, and even a stuffed dinosaur. The woodpecker just made new holes and kept tapping. Enough is enough, thought Cannon. Where is my soul? No tree, no nest, no woodpecker. No tree, no nest, no woodpecker. Later that day, the tree was gone. Now Cannon thought, I can finally get a good night's sleep. A few days went by. At last, the morning was peaceful and quiet. Then 1 week later, read a tad. Cannon shot straight out of bed and ran outside. The woodpecker was hanging off the gutter, tapping. The tapping on the steel sounded like fireworks. Shoo! Yelled Cannon. The woodpecker kept tapping.